Welcome to our video on Tourney Pro's top 10 killer features. Before I get started, I want to thank our customer One Day Shootouts for allowing us to use their production data for this video. One Day Shootouts is the largest tournament provider in the Midwest. They hosted 15,000 teams last year. Okay, let's jump right in. Killer feature number 1, the e-commerce website. On the Tourney Pro website, it only takes 30 seconds to register your account and watch your entire youth business created right before your eyes. Just add your payment processor and you're ready to start booking registrations. The e-commerce website can either be the main site for your entire business, or you can continue using your current website and simply link to this website to manage your event registrations and scheduling. Everything on the e-commerce site is configurable, including logos, colors, default wording, and business information. You can change everything to match your brand. Number 2, event management. Tourney Pro supports all the basic types of events, including single-day shootouts, multi-day tournaments, and of course, leagues. However, Tourney Pro completely changed event management by adding series and circuits. Now you can create more flexible leagues by making them a series of single-day events, or create circuits that are a collection of individual tournaments. Series and circuits are a great way for your customers to play in your events more often. Number 3, standings and rankings. Tourney Pro views the sports season as a collection of individual tournaments and league games. We revolutionize youth sports by combining the results for every game to create the same standings and statistics used by the pro leagues. I'm talking about the NBA, NFL, MLB, and others. All you have to do is simply enter weekly game scores, and the magic just happens. Looking at the basketball standings, you can sort to see which teams won the most games in last weekend's tournament, who has the most wins during the current season, which team is on the hottest winning streak, and check wins and losses for the entire season. Lastly, we implemented the NCAA's Basketball Power Index, or BPI, to rank teams, with an arrow to indicate whether the team ranking moved up, down, or was unchanged after the current weekend. It's time to give your tournaments this professional advantage. Number 4, customer accounts. Tourney Pro believes your customers are special and they should be treated that way. While other scheduling products treat your customers like first-time buyers every time they register, Tourney Pro is completely different. The first time a customer registers, Tourney Pro will automatically save their information so they are welcomed back each and every week. When your customers register for an event, they add their coaches, and they also create the information about their various teams. This is only done once a year. After that, their information is available for every future interaction. More importantly, this data becomes your customer database. And building an accurate customer database is critically important to the future success of your business. Number 5, 5-click registration. We all know customers are so busy organizing their teams that they get frustrated having to enter the same information week after week. How many times have you heard, "Just add my teams and I'll pay you later"? Now, when a customer selects a tournament, all of their team information is magically displayed. They simply click next to the teams they want to register, add any requests or restrictions, add the information to their shopping cart, and select their payment option to place their order. Tourney Pro has the fastest checkout available. Number 6, smart scheduling. When it comes to scheduling, Tourney Pro is the most advanced product in the market. It's not just scheduling, it's smart scheduling. Before you build divisions, you can review each team's statistical standings, including wins, losses, and average point differential. You can also avoid scheduling recent opponents to create fresh, appropriate level competition each and every week. For example, this value indicates that two teams in this division played each other 3 weeks ago. This is used for what I call matchup avoidance. Since the Rockers already played Knox, we will avoid scheduling that matchup. If this were bracket play, you would make sure to position those teams on opposite sides of the bracket. Once the matchups look perfect, the games are then added to our intelligent grid that first splits teams into locations, tracks requests and highlights errors, identifies coaching requests, and lastly, the schedule is published and the games are played. Tourney Pro helps you build fresh, appropriate level competitive matchups and awesome schedules that keep your customers coming back. Number 7, the mobile app. Everything wouldn't be complete without an incredible mobile app. Tourney Pro has a company app that displays all the Tourney Pro event schedules, or a branded app that can be created exclusively for your business. The app allows users to follow favorite teams, check schedules, analyze statistics, and review game scores for the current weekend and the entire season. However, this is my favorite app feature. In this basketball example, this information was designed to look exactly like the NBA game preview. Coaches, players, and fans will love reviewing the matchup comparison. At a glance, they can compare the win-loss record for each team, average points scored, points against, winning or losing streak, and the record over the last 10 games. The app will truly be a next-level experience for your customers. Number 8, Customer Dashboard. After the games have been played and the weekend is complete, your customers have access to a private dashboard to review the performance of all of their respective teams and check upcoming registrations. At the bottom of the dashboard, there's a bar graph illustrating the wins or losses for each team. Customers can simply click on any bar or particular team to view the individual game scores for that weekend. This is a great way for program directors to review weekly team performance. Number 9, Customer Database. As I mentioned earlier, quickly having access to your customer information is critical to the success of your business. Here, you're looking at a customer list sorted by programs or customers with the most teams. This is where you'll find the names, phone numbers, email addresses, and recent purchases for each customer. For obvious reasons, I've excluded the confidential information from this video. The team level report displays the contact information like names, phone numbers, and emails for both the head coaches and assistant coaches. This information can be filtered by gender, grade level, competitive level, or state to find the exact match you're looking for. You'll use this report every weekend to fill the most challenging openings or last-minute cancellations. Number 10, Business Analytics. When you own a business, you need to understand how customers discovered your website, which pages they visited most often, and most importantly, the customer buying habits. This is live data from the one-day shootouts dashboard. Here's a breakdown of the traffic sources that bring customers to their website. Here's a list of their most popular web pages. These last two items track important information, including the number of daily registrations and the revenue associated with each day. Tourney Pro takes the mystery out of your business metrics. So those are Tourney Pro's top 10 killer features. Tourney Pro was created to be a complete tournament management platform, not just a scheduling product. Tourney Pro was built by tournament operators for tournament operators. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button below the screen. If you really like this video, please give us a call so we can start improving your tournament business by saving you time and making you more money. You can also schedule a private one-on-one demo by visiting candidly.com/Tourney Pro to book an appointment. We look forward to helping you add the top 10 killer features to your business. Thank you.